Have you ever wanted to build your own drone but thought it was too hard or expensive? I'm building one from scratch without any experience, and you can too. In this series, I will take you step by step from basic physics and electronics to building a fully working drone. With GPS, FPV system, telemetry, and a gimbal with action camera, will give you the enough space for your perfect aerial shots. I've already added the GPS, some cool design and touches, and telemetry of course. FPV will be added soon, but no tension, I will go through each and every steps. I have used clear and cheap parts, clear tutorials, and subscribe for more. And don't forget, I will share each and every failure I faced during building it, and I will speak something that pros don't talk about.